Alright, what's up YouTube? It's Matthew here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm in front of my rental property out in the field once again, and I updated you all on my electrical system equipment, how I updated it, and then I told you I'm going to get new windows, and the windows finally got installed. They did all 14 windows in one day. The price of the windows were around $6,800, which is pretty good for getting brand new vinyl double pane windows for the materials and the install, and they did a great job. They did a really great job. So I just want to show you all real quick how it is. So my dad is behind the camera, so you can hear him, but yeah, he's just visiting. So yeah, I just want to show you all how it looks. So you can come closer. Here it is. It's just like a 2-light sliding window. So sliding windows, they also come in 3 lights, where it's kind of like 3 windows. I'll probably put a picture up, but they were able to find a 2-light one that was large enough for this window, and so that helps on cost. So that's a tip for you all, that if you're replacing sliding windows, instead of getting a 3-light, you can get a 2-light. It's cheaper and it's just as good as the 3-light. But yeah, these are double pane windows. It has the vent, so both of them open, so you can open it on this side and that side. And so I have new sliding windows throughout. I was thinking maybe I should have gotten a different color to match more of the brick, maybe like a dark brown or a tan color, but this will do perfectly fine. The next update is getting gutters, because you don't want a lot of water. You don't want water coming to your house, so you're just trying to avoid water and moisture on your property. So that's why I updated the windows, because they were getting some condensation, some moisture inside. They couldn't be completely closed. There were cracks in them. And as I stated, when I bought the house, I already put money aside in order to compensate for these updates. And then we can go right here in the back. I just want to show some of the other windows and other things like that. So we have another double pane vinyl sliding window here with the vents and everything. I went inside just to check everything, make sure everything is operating and good, and the install was decent. Yeah, so you have one here, you have one there, you have one in the back. So these are just normal style sliding windows that you've seen before. And then of course we have another one in the back. Yeah, there's some hornets here that we did get rid of, but they're bad for some reason. But anyways, there's another sliding window, and then there's the bathroom one. So that one's tempered glass, so it helps with the moisture, because that's right above the shower and bathroom. The one over there. And then that's the bedroom one. So yeah, now let's go back in the front so we can get away from these hornets. It's the end of October, essentially. Other things that I'm looking to do is I want to buy a primary residency before this year ends. So essentially I have 2 months to get one, but I want a primary residency where it's either a 4-plex where I live in one unit, rent out the other units, or it's a house with a basement apartment and I live in the basement apartment, Airbnb the upstairs. I just want something that covers the cost of my mortgage, where I break even, or I, hopefully make some money on it. That's the goal. So that would be my next property. Hopefully I can get it before the year ends. But I'll update you all when I get the gutters on this property, everything like that. Yeah, make sure you all comment down below my different styles of videos, because I do experiment with different genres, just about personal finance, about the economy as a whole. Like as you all saw, my different videos on the economy and on the housing market crash. Let me know if you guys like that style of videos. I know I sometimes just talk about wholesaling a lot of times, but I just want to introduce some more topics to a broader range of audience. How much time is on there?
5:46.
5:46? Okay.
You just record 5:46.
Okay, that's fine. All right, once again, thank you all. Make sure you like, comment down below, and subscribe. Talk to you all later.